Which is better, N8N or Crewai? N8N or Node-to-Node is a low-code workflow automation tool. Think of it like an open-source alternative to Zapier or Make, but with much deeper customization and scalability. The pros are it has automation between tasks. Now it has backend logic, data manipulation, and scheduling. It has integrating APIs without writing much code. It has the official drag-and-drop workflow as well. AI nodes for integrating elements like GPT-4, Cloud, and etc. It has improved workflow versioning and collaboration. And it has easy integration with databases, APIs, and third-party services. Although there are a couple of limitations, like it's not ideal for building user-facing apps or UI, and can be overwhelming for non-tech user. Now, what about Crewai? Crewai lets you orchestrate AI agents with roles, tools, and goal. It's focused on building autonomous systems, think agents that can research, write code, answer emails, or collaborate like a team. It's best for someone who wants AI-driven apps where agents complete complex tasks, building AI workflow with memory, tools, and role-based behavior, and also developers or tech-savvy builders exploring LLM-based automation. A couple of the key features is that it has multimodal support, better memory/context management across agent, and it has fine-tuning of agent role and collaboration logic. There are a couple of limitations, like it's not as plug and play as N8N, requires more coding knowledge of elements and agent system, and it's still a bit experimental in product environments. Some of the best use case for it, if you want to automate business tasks, use N8N. If you want to build AI agents that do research or automate reasoning, use Crewai.